Hey, I'm Ben, designer of Frame. Welcome to our manufacturing facility in Singapore. This is our automated injection molding machine. It's making the prism mold. Many of the surfaces on this mold are diamond turned, and the reason for that is to create the ultimate optical clarity for the prism. Now let's go on a quick tour of the clean room, and then we can focus in on the prism. So to create this unique, beautiful prism design, we actually split the optical elements up into 3 parts, and then we bond them together with a UV cured glue. And here we have me building a frame unit for one lucky customer. I wanted to highlight the arm design of Frame here. So you can see I'm doing a little bit of soldering. I'm connecting the battery terminals to the main PCB, which sits above the nose bridge. But the arms are pretty unique. We developed this flexible printed circuit board, which runs the entire length of the arm. And at the back, we sit the batteries, and at the front, the PCB. And the way we've done that is we've overmolded the FBC into the arm. So we start with an injection molding of one half of the arm, then we add the FBC, and then we overmold the rest of the arm on top of it, and it's all sealed into one nice clean unit. And once the PCB has been soldered in, we fix the lens and the prism, and then we attach the rear housing, and that locks into place. And then, ta-da, we are done. One frame unit ready to go.